Okay, so hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a unboxing for you guys. I've already opened the package in the last video if you've seen it. So I've already opened the package. This is what they look like. Sorry, I should tell you what I'm reviewing. I'm reviewing the Agalore and Company nail supplies. So I ordered 4 of her cover acrylics. All these are all in the new family, but yeah, I've ordered 4 of them. I took them out of the package. This is what they look like. My first impression was that they are super big. Like, when it compared to like a Valentino size, this is 2 ounces and this is 4 ounces. So, but to me this looks so much bigger than 4 ounces, probably because of the packaging. Really like the packaging. It looks like it's like super, like, it just looks real, like, of quality. Like, they won't mess up as fast. I just like the way that they, you know, look very sturdy. So yeah, I ordered 4 of them. This is the color Skin Tight, so I'm going to be swatching this one. This is in the color Chai, Pillow Talk, and Silk Nude. So I'm going to change my camera angle. I just wanted to do the quick introduction and show you guys what I was swatching. And yeah, so I'm going to put tips on my fingers, turn my camera around so you guys can see the colors and, you know, all that stuff. Yeah. Okay, so change of plans. I decided I'm not going to show you guys the angle from me actually swatching the product. Instead, I was going to just set you guys up and then just show you guys what I'm doing, and then I'm going to insert the reel that I'm creating on my phone into this video, so that way you guys will still be able to see the swatch because it's kind of hard for me to record from this angle with my phone and with my camera, because there's just not, I can't get both in as equally as I want to. So I'm going to just set you guys up and then I'll explain to you as I go, like, what I'm doing, because I am going to swatch all 4 of these. I may not be talking as much, so it'll probably be more of just you guys just really seeing behind the scenes of the swatch itself. So yeah, I'm gonna first start with putting on some tips. I'm going to be using these tips from the same brand. I don't know if it's Agalore or Agalore. I really want to find out because I don't want to be saying it wrong. But I'm going to be using these extra long non-C-curve square tips by her. And since I only have 4 colors, I'm just going to swatch. I'm just going to put 4 tips on my fingers. Because I just don't feel like there's no need to do my thumb. I don't think I'm going to do any designs with the 4 nails because they are all 4 different colors. Or I may make that a whole nother video. I don't know. I want to do something Valentine's, but I don't know if I'll do it with all this setup. So first thing I want to do is just find the right size tips and put them on my fingers. I know my tip numbers by heart. I didn't even really prep my nails, guys, because I don't want to keep these on for that long. So normally I'd go in, you know, drill a little bit, make the nail a little rough, so that way I can remove all the shine and all that stuff. But I really didn't want to do that because I'm only doing this just to see how the product itself works. I've already taken some swatches of the colors and I like them. The colors are really, really good. I am nervous a little bit about the consistency of the product because just right off the back I noticed that they're just a little like chalky almost, but I don't want to say that, like, you know, without really swatching it first. But that was just like the first impression that I thought. I'm just really hoping they're not like super like tough and like hard to work with, but we will see. Yeah, so I'm gonna put my music back on, and then I'm just gonna leave you guys up there. I'll have to mute the music, of course, so you guys won't be able to hear it, but yeah, I'll probably come right back in as soon as I put all my tips on, and I'm going to cut them to the length that I want, and then it'll be swatch time. Okay, so I've just finished putting my tips on. I have all of the tips on, so now I'm going to cut them to the length that I want to do. Like I said, I'm going to keep them kind of long. Okay, so I finished putting my tips on. I trimmed them. Like I said, I was going to keep them a little bit long just for picture purposes, and I'm going to now swatch the first one. I feel bad that you guys aren't able to see it, but like I said, I'm going to post a reel in the video so you guys can see the colors that I'm doing. So this is the first one in the color Skin Tight. So I'm gonna dip my brush in my monitor. Hope I can get a good angle. Okay, then I'm gonna pick up a bead. So yeah, it's not bad. Sorry, my camera timed out. So I'm still trying to figure out how I feel about it. Okay, so I've already done one finger. I'll talk to you guys, I guess, if I do the second one, and give you guys my feedback. So let me start this really quick. So first impression, it's okay. I wish it was a little bit like creamier instead of super like sort of chalky a little bit, which makes it a little bit hard to work with, or I mean, at least for that color. I know sometimes different colors look, or you know, the consistency is a little bit different. This one that I'm using now, I think this one's Skin Tight. The consistency is a little bit better than the first one, maybe because it's a darker color. I know sometimes like whites and lighter colors always feel like naturally more chalky, but this one's not that bad. I'm actually gonna stop that and bring this closer to me so I can see what I'm doing. But yeah, it's not bad. It's okay. I'm kind of excited that I got some new colors because I've been using the same like base colors for like a year now. So I really just wanted to order these and get like a different brands and different colors. Just so I can have more options to choose from. So yeah, I'm gonna continue to do this full nail and I'll be back. Okay, so now I'm gonna swatch the color Chai, and then the last one I have to do is the color Pillow Talk. So now that I'm on the third finger, I can kind of tell like all of them are pretty much the same consistency. They don't dry fast at all, so if you're a beginner nail tech, these actually may be like really good, because I know when I first started, one of the things that discouraged me was how fast the acrylic would dry. So I didn't have much time to maneuver the acrylic around the nail, but these don't dry fast at all. Actually, like, you'll probably be able to finish the whole nail really if you wanted to. Yeah, super beginner friendly. I really like that about them. I do wish they were just a little bit creamier. Also, another thing, the acrylic is getting stuck in my brush. I don't know if anybody else will have that problem with this product, but it is making this take a little longer than it needs to be. I don't know why, but okay, so first impression, I definitely like this color the best. This is the color Chai. It's like this really like nude color that I haven't had before, and I really like it. I think it's maybe the one that I end up using the most. So yeah, also I noticed that the darker the color, the better the consistency, which is normally the case. So I wasn't really surprised by that, but so far I really like the colors. Really, all three of these colors so far, I don't have anything like them. So that's a plus. I really like them. I have one more left, so that would be the end of the review. The last one is Pillow Talk. So I'm gonna do this one really quick. I have to take a break to change my battery and to clean my brush, because my brush just keeps getting the acrylic stuck in it. I've done all 4 of the fingers so far. The last two are my favorite colors. I'm gonna shape these, and then once I finish, I'm gonna put a top coat on them, and then I'm gonna give you guys my final thoughts. So I finished all the swatches, and I really like these. I feel like the colors are like definitely something that I haven't used before, so I'm really excited about that part. And then I will say that these are also like very beginner friendly, meaning that they don't really dry that fast, so you have a lot of time to maneuver the product around the nail without feeling like you're being rushed. I do like that. I also want to talk about price point. I think those were about $30 for one. So, I mean, that's a little high, but like I said, the product is so big, so I think that is definitely worth the money. So yeah, I really like these. I can't wait to use them. And I definitely recommend buying them. You guys can see the color. I'm going to enter a clip of all of the 4 swatches for the video so you guys can see it. But yeah, I really like these. Like, I'm trying to find something negative. I don't like the consistency of them, but I figured I already would have to, you know, worry about that. But they're still really usable, so yeah, I like them. I will definitely be ordering more because she had quite a few different colors. But I didn't want to go crazy because I wanted to make sure that I like them first. So yeah, definitely recommend. Let me know if you guys use these or, you know, anything like that. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video.